Hey guys, it's Sam from Team Edupass, and today we're going to talk about the Edupass student side. We're going to walk through how to register and use the app, and to use all of its features. The Edupass student side is an app in the App Store or Google Play, and can be found on the web at goedupass.com. This app is designed for student use and allows students to receive invites from teachers to complete work, get friend requests to see where their friends are and what they're doing, and also have access to a variety of cool, interesting facts that help students optimize their schedule and better their free time management skills. Now to start, you can go to the website, goedupass.com, or you can download the app on the App Store or on Google Play Store. So to start, if you have an account, to log in, simply type in your school's district, your username, and your password. But if you haven't registered yet, then click the sign up button. Now to sign up, all you have to do is type in your district, which is either from an email or if you know it offhand, just type that in. Then select your grade from the drop-down menu. Type in your desired username. Type in your desired email, preferably a school email. Type in your desired password. Confirm that password. And then type in your Edupass access code, which you receive from an email from Team Edupass or from your school. Next, below that, first read, and then click the terms and conditions, and then press register. So now that we're logged in, we're at the home screen. Now, the home tab of Edupass is one of the most important tabs because this lets you see all your friend requests, your teacher invites, and it also lets you search for your teacher in the teacher search bar. Now, to start, we'll notice that we have some invitations from friends and some invitations from teachers, but we'll ignore those for now. So, if you want to search for a teacher, simply type in your teacher's name. Notice how it uses autocomplete. The number next to the teachers indicates how many students are in the classroom of the total amount of kids allowed in the classroom. So, you'll notice most teachers have a classroom cap of 30 students. Use this to your advantage. If you know that you want to work in a quiet place, find a classroom that has less students in it. But if you don't care about how many students are in the classroom, go somewhere that has more kids. Some classrooms will have different caps because teachers can set what they want to set. Some classrooms might have 5 kids, some classrooms 10, some classrooms even 30 kids. It just depends. So, if you want to go to a teacher's classroom, simply click on the student name that you want to go to, and then you're prompted with a card with teacher's name and number of kids in the classroom out of the total number of kids allowed. Then click on what you want to do, so out of test, quiz, homework, or other, in green. There's a back button to the right, and then you can check in or stealth in. Check in means that you're going to check into the classroom, and your location is public to all of your friends. Stealth in is just like check in, except your location and your activities are not available to all of your friends. And we'll dive into more of that later. So for now, let's just click other, and then check in. Boom. So now we're on our way to that teacher's room. But we're not there yet. In order to be checked into a room, you have to be physically there, and your teacher has to confirm that you're there. Below, in the invites, you'll see invitations from teachers and friend requests. Teacher invitations are easy to spot because they have the rocket next to their name. Any name with a rocket next to it is a teacher. And next, underneath that, you'll see a warm invitation and the buttons dismiss, check-in, or stealth in. Dismissing it just means that you're going to delete the invitation and just completely ignore it. Check-in means the same as last check-in, so your friends can see where you are, and you're going to that room. And stealth in means that your friends cannot see where you are, but you're going to that room anyways. And your teacher knows that you're coming either way. Check-in or stealth-in does not matter to the teachers, only to your friends. And then you'll see a friend request. Friend requests allow your friends, when you accept them, to see where you are, as we've gone over. So don't be afraid that everyone in the school can see where you are on Edupass. Only your friends can see where you are on Edupass. So let's go over to the top right and click on the Friends tab and investigate that a little bit. The Friends tab lets you find friends and see where your friends are. So on the top, you'll see the Find Friends search bar. So simply type in your friend's name and then click Add Friend next to it. Simple. Now your friend's going to get a friend request from you. You have to wait for them to reply to it, and once you do, they'll show up under your friends. So your friends can be in any classroom, as you see below, or not checked in. And as multiple friends show up in different classrooms, they all show up on the same card. And each card is titled with the big black letters. So you know where all your friends are, and you know which friends are not checked in. That's all there is to friends. Now that we've explored Home and Friend tab, let's check out the More tab. The More tab is a variety of your stats for you to use and see at your disposal. On top, you'll see your current room. This is the room that you are currently in. If it says pending underneath it, that means that you're not currently signed into a room. If you are signed into a room and it says pending, make sure you have your teacher sign you into the room via their Edupass. Underneath the rocket logo, you'll see Common Class. Common Class is the class that you go to most often. This will change based on where you go. The average time in class is the average amount of time you spend in each classroom. This can change if you spend more time in a classroom or less time in a classroom. The average time until checked in is the amount of time you spend in the hallways. It's important to keep track of these stats because these stats help you figure out where you're wasting time and can help you optimize your free time. Below your stats, you see the sign up button. If you click on the sign up button, this signs you out and sends you to the home screen.